Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another crochet stitch tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how to crochet the diagonal trip stitch. It is a very simple relief pattern that creates these diagonal stripes with these little raised, I don't really want to call them bobbles because that's not what they are, but we're going to call them bobbles right now. It is a very easy stitch. All you need to know is how to do single crochets and treble crochets. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for a little extra texture in your life, this is probably the stitch for you. Before we get into this tutorial, I would ask that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content from me. And without further ado, let's dive right into the instruction. So for this stitch, you want to chain in multiples of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This time I'm going to do 12. Then I'm going to add 2, 1, 2, and then an additional 1. Okay? So now what we want to do is we are going to go ahead and single crochet into the second chain from our hook and into each stitch along. So not this stitch that's on our hook right here, but the one next to it. I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and we are going to continue to single crochet all the way across our chain. And if you are super new to crochet, I have a back to basics crochet tutorial playlist back on my channel, and I will leave it linked at the end of this video. Alright, getting on along here. Alright, there's row 1. Now, I do want to make mention that this pattern, I don't know if I want to say it's indefinite, but however wide you make this project is however far over these diagonal stripes will go. And then, honestly, it's very customizable. So if you wanted to do more than the row repeats of these shifting lines, then you could. So your pattern would carry over further than the standard 7 or 8 row repeat we're going to go through today. But that's all I really wanted to mention, is that this pattern is quite adjustable. It's very versatile. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet into the base of this chain 1 here, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to treble crochet into the next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over twice, place a treble crochet in there. So I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 4 loops on my hook right now. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2. Alright, now I'm going to work into the next stitch with a single crochet, which is a far leap, but it scrunches that treble crochet down, and that's what gives you your relief pattern on the other side. Okay, so now we are going to yarn over twice again, and we are going to treble crochet. 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we are going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to treble crochet, so yarn over twice again. I'm going to treble crochet into the next stitch. single crochet into the next stitch, and treble crochet into the next stitch. Alright, and now we are going to go ahead and single crochet into the last 4 stitches of this row. Alright, and there's nothing really to show off here on the back of this swatch, but on the front, as you can see, these treble crochets being brought down to single crochet height causes them to puff out towards the front of the work, and that's what's going to give us our relief pattern. Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and chain my 1, turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet in the base of that chain 1 and into each stitch along. And that is row 3. For row 4, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we are going to single crochet into the first and second stitch of this row. So into the base of that chain 1, single crochet, and into the next stitch we are going to single crochet. In the next stitch we are going to treble crochet. So yarn over twice and place a treble crochet into that next stitch. Alright, then we're going to treble crochet into the next stitch. Oops. I think I moved a little bit faster than I meant to. After we do that treble crochet, we are going to single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, and then we are going to yarn over twice and we're going to treble crochet into the next stitch. There we go. Okay, now we are going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Alright, and now we're going to treble crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. And treble crochet into that next stitch. Alright, and we are going to single crochet in our remaining 3 stitches. That last one can be kind of tricky to see, but just make sure that you're working into it. There we go. Alright, on to row 5. We're going to chain 1, and as you might imagine, we are going to single crochet all the way across this row, So placing that single crochet into the base of that chain 1, and I'm going to work in each stitch along. Alright, now we are on to row 6. We're going to chain our 1, turn our work. We are going to single crochet into the first 3 stitches, so 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and then we are going to yarn over twice. We're going to create a treble crochet into this next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. We're going to yarn over twice and we're going to treble crochet into the next stitch. Alright, now we are going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches. And then we're going to start our repeat over again. So treble crochet to the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. And treble crochet into the next stitch. Alright, and we are going to single crochet into the remaining 2 stitches of this row. 1 and 2. And chain 1 and turn our work. So see, each row we are slowly shifting our little diagonal puffs more and more to the right. Okay, and so now we are ready to do our row of single crochets, and I'll meet you guys back for the final row of our repeat, row 8. Making our last single crochet of that row. Going to chain 1, turn our work, and we are ready for row 8. Now we are going to single crochet into the base of that chain 1 and into the next 3 stitches for a total of 4 single crochet. There's 3 and 4. Now you guessed it, we're going to make our treble crochet, so we're going to yarn over twice. And do that. Going to single crochet into the next stitch. Treble crochet into the next stitch. So you guys can see what I mean, that this patterning can really go on for some time, just depending on the width of the project that you have started. Alright, now we are going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now we're going to treble crochet into the next stitch. single crochet into the next stitch, and treble crochet into that last stitch. Now here on my sample, I have one more single crochet on this row, and I'm going to simply work into that. So on your project, when you get to the point where you only have one single crochet left in your row, that is the end of your run for this pattern, for this stitch pattern. So if I chain one, turn my work, you can see that my texture has started to butt up against the edge of my project here. So at this point, you would do a row of single crochet, and then you would start all the way over from row 2. So I did that here in my larger sample. As you guys can see, I actually went through 2 runs of this, and I got up to the end of my swatch, which I feel like I did like 20 stitches now, but anyway, after I finished row 8 of that pattern, I did a row of single crochet to return back to this point, and then I started over from row 2. So then I had an extra line of diagonals starting out over here, and it starts, you know, lining up and going on over and over and over until you reach the end of your project. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up so that you can support the content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future crochet content from me. I typically post crochet tutorials on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST. If you want to further support the channel, I just revitalized my merch shop in January, so you know, I have a few crochet humor lines out there, from t-shirts to mugs, hoodies, tote bags. I think I have backpacks also, you name it. So head over there and check that out if you are curious about it. I will leave the link for that in the description box below, as well as the top comment. Don't forget to check out my newsletter on my website, infinitiCraftingCompany.com. And until next time, guys, happy making.